Can you be nice?
Is he a puppy? Oh.
Were you ever that big, Thresh?
No.
Oh, look at this puppy! Look at this puppy! Would you just look at her? Howdy, Rap Fam! Vinyl Vixen here at Wrapsesh. We are showcasing all of our awesome projects and adventures for March 2022. Today's a pretty exciting day. We're actually going to be meeting with a celebrity for a consult. Hopefully we get to do his RV. I'll reveal that with you guys pretty soon. Today, or this week, we're working on this Honda Civic?
Yeah.
Honda Civic! Hardcore parkour, doing some accents. We had quite the botch job on this. It went to another shop. I don't even know where or to whom, but they just destroyed this car's paint job, so we're replacing everything that was done on it. We also have the Carbon Cat here as well. This is the only car in, I'm pretty sure, the whole world that has the Aztec gloss carbon fiber as a full clear brow wrap. Really, really difficult. It's got red reflective accents. We're actually going to be doing a underhood on here, a really cool little Hell Kitty. So that'll be a fun one. And then we have one of my favorite customers ever, Pat from Team Evolved. We are doing like his 5th or 6th car. He's been one of our first customers and our longest customers. We pretty much do a wrap for him every year. And we are trying out the PWF color change film on that vehicle, so that's pretty exciting. I've got Slim over here working on some PPF. We have a Tesla Model S that's just getting a standard package, and then we have this little beauty over here. Do you know what year this is?
1982 Bronco 2.
1982 Bronco 2 that has a really nice custom paint job. I don't know if you guys can see the sheen of this. I'll show you outside, but it's like a blue shade shifting pearl. It's really, really awesome. So we actually did a paint correction on that and clear bra and a ceramic coating. Today we're gonna go over and do that RV consult. Should we tell them who it is? I don't want to get my hopes up, but it's for Brett Michaels, which is cool because
Singer of Poison.
yeah, and we've been like super into Guitar Hero over these past like couple of months. We've gotten back into it. So that'll be pretty awesome if we can get that RV wrap arranged.
Sick.
And then we're also going to our favorite hangout place, Level 1 today. Taking some of my younger siblings there to see our wall mural. They missed our reveal. Gonna go play some games and just have a good time.
Thanks.
And yeah, keep it fun.
Alright, so Jess is getting a perfect score right now.
4 in a row. 4 in a row.
4 in a row at Buck Hunter. It's her favorite game. And she's killing it.
Ready?
Look. Oh, you can't even see. Hold on. Check it out.
I just got 5 perfect. What just happened? Dude, I'm freaking killing it.
You're way too good at this game.
OMG, OMG. Wait, look. Right here. Oh, I got perfect the whole way.
The whole way! Let's see how many of these can you get. Chew all them turkeys. Look get so close to the screen.
I'm winning. Sure. Don't tell me how to play. Just say. Okay, so yesterday's St. Patty's Day was a huge success. We went over and had our consultation with Brett Michaels for his RV. I think we're gonna move forward with that job. I'm really excited. Plus, they mentioned this awesome concert.
Concert's gonna be awesome. It's like a reunion concert.
And who's
Got
gonna be
it's
there?
got Motley Crue, Poison. Oh, is it Def
Def
Leppard?
Leppard.
Oh, so
All
it'd be
these
so
cool bands, which is crazy cool. So hopefully we'll get to attend that later this fall.
Yeah, I'm really excited for his RV. It'll be cool.
Yeah, and then we went over to level 1 and got Drunky Monkey and had a good time, of course. Today we're going to be working on some of those cars I showed you guys. We're also going to be doing a partial helmet wrap for one of my favorite sleigh babes, R6 Anna. You guys can look her up on Instagram. We did our R6 unicorn wrap for her a couple years ago.
It was awesome. She's got a couple cool bikes.
She's a hot tamale.
She's
Let's just say that. So
a hot tamale.
let's dive in.
Yeah.
Dive! So we had a weekend of rewards and indulgence.
And indulgences. I had many steaks.
Oh my gosh, we had so much steaks. So Friday we went out with Trish and Bryce from Weave and Wraps
And
Justin Pate
Justin
from the
Pate.
Wrap Institute, which was really cool because it was our first time to really get to sit down with him and just like have a genuine conversation. Usually when we see all these guys, it's at trade shows and we all have booths to run and crazy schedules and demos and
we
stuff.
cross paths, but we never get to
Yeah.
sit down and.
So that was super fun. We went to this really, really nice restaurant called the Ren Wolf and got a little tipsy and ate these really big steaks and the
I had a
crab.
16-ounce tomahawk.
It was pretty awesome.
So good.
And then we got spoiled the next day. We went over to our employee's house, Steph, and she has the floofiest dog in the entire
The
planet.
floofiest dog
I kid
ever.
you not, the floofiest dog.
It's a husky, but it's also mixed with a cloud. It looks, it's just a
it's
big
part
white
cloud.
fluffy cloud.
Yeah. And then we had porterhouse steaks there, which put us into a food coma.
Mm-hmm.
And then we went out with our friends from Detail Boss over in Scottsdale.
Had some sushi.
Some sushi. What was that?
Some squishy.
Some squishy. And then we went over to level 1 because they'd never been there before. And P.S. we got home and Mike threw up outside of our house.
That's not, you don't need to share that.
I think we do need to share.
We don't need to share that.
Because usually it's me making a mess out of things.
I haven't thrown up in years.
Okay, actually, I threw up last year at the Wrapsesh Tiki Party. Barely made it to a trap.
Yeah, that was at Wrapscon.
Never drink liquid
Lightweight.
MJs again. No, now I'm good. I'm a good drinker now. So we had a good weekend. It was really fun. And pretty much our next episode, we will be heading out to Portland, Oregon to be wrapping up Curvaceous's very own personal vehicle in this really, really cool metallic brushed metal print.
Yeah.
And really fun collab with Avery. So keep up and we'll see you guys then.
Later.